All right, so we are going to open our SPSS and we are going to do the following steps. So click OK and then change the file type, go to location where your file is, look for your file and then open it. Now, if you open it, you're going to have this box and you just need to click OK. Then let's put it in widescreen. So what you're going to have here is your variable view. Your data view is here. All your groups are here, and your scores are here. In variable view here, we need to change our value as our step. So change the value of 1. So this is going to be 1. And the next value is M118. So we click add, and then after that 2 for our M119. And then we will click add, and then click OK. As you can see that there's a value already there. Now we're ready for our samples t-test. So let's go to analyze. The first that we're going to do is to compare means and then one samples t-test or one sample t-test. You put your score here in this test variable, that's the dependent, and we're going to put here the score, and our test value is 15. That is the population mean that we looked into. And then after that, click options. This is a one sample speed test, so 95%. We can change that. It's better if we don't, because that is the acceptable level of percentage of confidence that we must have so that our data should be considered significantly different. So you click continue, and then all you need to do is to click OK. After that, it shows the output of the data. So you can see we have this one sample speed test. Our mean here is 13.95 and standard deviation is 3.266. Now, the most important thing here that we need to consider is our significance value, which is our P. Now, this is your two-tailed significance, and it is just 0.049, which is lower than 0.05. So it means that this value that we have for our group, for M118 and M119, or I must say grade 7 group, is significantly different from the population mean that we have. So here, the degrees of freedom is 39. Now you consider this as like 14 minus 1. So your p-value is negative 2.035, but the most important thing is your p-value for this. Now we can go back to our SPSS and we can click again analyze, and then you can also click compare means here, and then the next is independent sample speed test. Now we are going to put score here in the test variable. You can drag, as you can see, or you click that and click the arrow. Then define your group 1 as group 1 and group 2 as group 2, and then continue. Your options, if you want to change it. If not, this is the default setup for the percentage of confidence. So click continue, and as you can see, the OK here is highlighted and we are ready to click it. When we click it, it is now here as the t-test of independent sample t-test. This is the result output. As you can see, our one sample t-test is still there. If you want to just put it there, it's okay, because in the report it will be better to see the comparative values of one sample t-test and independent sample t-test. Here in independent sample t-test, we're trying to figure out if M118 is significantly different to M119 or 119 to 118. So here their mean score is different. So their standard deviation is different. Their significant value is 0.123, which is over 0.05. It means that this value or this probability is just considered as random, or it is just normal, meaning that M119 is just significantly the same but not different as M118, meaning they have performed significantly similar with each other. Okay, so this is now our walkthrough of our t-test for SPSS. Thank you.